A well-known leader from the Niger Delta region, Government Tompolo, also known as Tompolo, has said he will support President Bola Ahmed Tinubu in the 2027 general election. Tompolo made this big announcement during an event in Abuja to celebrate Nigeria's Democracy Day on June 12. He said President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is a great leader who is working hard to fix Nigeria's economy. Tinubu is the only leader with the vision to make Nigeria better, Tompolo said. He also praised Tinubu for caring about the problems that everyday Nigerians face. He knows the people are suffering and is already working on ways to help. He said,
"We will do our part, even go out of our boundary, cross to the northern part of Nigeria to talk to our brothers so that he will get his second tenure." Tinubu is a good person. He has the experience to do everything, to carry this country to the higher level. I am traveling across all the northern states to appeal to them. Buhari spent 8 years now, so we don't want anybody to cause any problem. Let Tinubu have his own 8 years too. And then we look for another person to come in. There is no need for anybody to say, no, we have the monopoly of power. No. We must allow Tinubu to do his 8 years, which will appeal to everybody. And by the grace of God, everybody will support us. Like the traditional rulers and everybody.
Tompolo said he's ready to help President Bola Ahmed Tinubu win the election in 2027 by bringing together 10 million voters through a group called the Bat Door-to-Door Movement. The group plans to go from town to town, village to village, and even house to house to talk to people about voting for Tinubu. The Adekambi, who helps lead the group, also spoke at the event, said Nigeria is already doing better, especially in the oil and gas industry. He believes Nigeria will produce more oil soon and become even stronger by 2027. At the end, Tompolo promised that every Nigerian voice would be heard in 2027 election. While this has generated mixed reactions online, please share your thoughts with us in the comment box section below. And keep watching NaijaNews TV.